This lesson is Know Your Money, and money is a life skill. We're going to go over reviewing coins and finding their total value. When we think of money, we think of it as something that we earn, something that we spend, and something that we gift. So these are all things that as you get older and now you use quite frequently. So here's the value of our coins. A penny is brownish in color and it is 1 cent. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. And a dime is the smallest coin, but it's actually worth more than a penny and a nickel. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. When someone says, oh, let's flip a coin, heads refers to the side with the president's heads on the coins, and tails refers to the opposite side. Now, here is some values to help you count. A penny is worth 1 cent, so you would be counting by ones. A nickel is worth 5 cents, and this is when you would count by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 25 is the same as 25 cents, which is a quarter. Dimes are worth 10, so you would be able to count by tens. There are 4 quarters in a dollar. Think of it as fraction. 4 parts were equal to 1 whole. Same thing. And a half dollar, which looks like this, 2 half dollars equals 1 whole dollar. And to sum it all up, 100 pennies is the same as a dollar. 20 nickels, 20 times 5, or counting by 5, 20 times will get you a dollar. 10 dimes is equal to $1. 4 quarters is equal to a dollar, and 2 half dollars. Okay, so we're going to be counting coins, and when you figure out how much sunglasses are, which are 49 cents, you're going to use your largest coins. So I'm going to start with my 25, and watch as I count on. So I'm not going to sit here and count by ones. That just seems like it's going to take a long time. So I'm going to use my next largest. 25 plus 10 is 35. 40. No, I don't need that. 45. And if I take the nickel, 45 plus 5 will get me to 50. So that's more than 49. So I'm going to count 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, so that's how I would be able to use that. I'm going to start with my biggest and kind of use what can I do if I add the 10 or if I add the 5 is going to get me closest to the value that I want. On this slide, you're going to be counting the total amount and typing the value of the coins. The money symbol and the decimal is something that you will also be using. So this money symbol can be found at the top on the keyboard. And if you have a dollar, the amount would be right there. If there's no dollar, you would type the 0. And then this is a decimal point, kind of looks like a period. And that's what you would click on, the period button on your keyboard. And then this is a coin. So the decimal kind of separates the dollars from the coins, just like in time that colon separated the hours from the minutes. Now, in counting money on the slide before, we just mentioned start with the largest amount, which is 25 cents seen here. Then I'm going to go to the next amount, which is 10. So 25, 35, 45, 55. Now I count by fives because that's what I see is closest. 55, 60, 65. Then the pennies, 66, 67, 68. In this box, I'm going to type the dollar symbol. There is no dollar, so I put a 0, my decimal, and it is 68 cents. Right? So just like what we did in time, money is a measurement also because you're counting on by certain value amounts. All right? And I think you'll do a good job on this. If you need to, you can always go back to those coins to see how much they're worth. And those are also shown on the Google Slides activity that you will be